Alright guys, so what is in the box? I bet you can guess. We'll have a look in a second. I just want to prefix this with, I'm not a massive watch guy. I had a tag when I was in my teens, and probably for the last 20 years I've not even worn a watch. And I've got my milestone of a 40th birthday coming up in a week and a half. So about four or 5 weeks ago, I started my hunt for something special, and this is what I got. Let's have a look. And there it is. Submariner with dates. Brand new from retail. It cost the retail price of £7,300. And as I say, I waited about 3 weeks, which you and I both think is absolutely unbelievable. How did that happen? Well, like many things in life, it's not what you know, but it's who you know. And I'm lucky enough to be associated with somebody that buys a lot of Rolexes. I gave him a shout. He said, don't you worry. There is an AD near you that I'm very friendly with, and he will get you what you want. And then I got the call 2 or 3 weeks later, and there it is. Just in time for the birthday. So I'm gonna have to slip it on just to show you how it fits. When I first started looking for a new watch, I just had a feeling Rolex was going to be the watch for me. I was aware that they're expensive, but that they hold their value. So as an investment, you're not going to go wrong. And as a watch, I mean, it's absolutely stunning. At the time, I wasn't sure whether I wanted maybe a sea dweller. But now that this has come, which I never even had the opportunity to try on this watch. I tried on the deep sea. I hadn't tried on a sea dweller, but I had a feeling that they were going to be a little bit too big, a bit too chunky. But this is just absolutely perfect. I'm so happy with it. And I think, guys, if you're thinking about it, if you're in two minds, go for it. It's absolutely stunning and you will not be disappointed. So there you go, good luck. Find somebody that you know that buys Rolexes, and I'm sure that they can help. I was told by the AD that I picked it up from, if I didn't go through somebody that I knew, the likelihood is it would have taken maybe 2 years to get this watch. So I feel absolutely blessed to have received it in such a short period of time. Yeah, good luck on the hunt, guys. It will be worth it when you receive it.